So right now, I want to move to a friend's place, and that's where I am at the moment. And I've been reading all your comments, and I've been getting all your messages. I want to say I'm very happy. I'm very grateful to everyone that, in one way or the other, been showing concern based on my recent predicament. I'm very happy, and I want to use the opportunity to say thank you, everyone. I appreciate your concerns, no matter how it is. I At least it's helping me to get on, because it's not easy. Like, when you want to start life all over again, what do you have to do? What do you have to say? Nothing. But your words, your comments, your messages, your calls have, in one way or the other, you know, made me to realize that at least there are some persons out there that still cares for me. I was even surprised that most top bakers and most people that are in this cooking and baking, content creation, bloggers, vloggers, they have gotten across to me, those that have also promised to help me in one way or the other, and those that have also promised to post me so that maybe probably I could get help from people, and also those that have also dropped their messages, their goodwill messages, their prayers, and everything. I want to use the opportunity to say I'm grateful. So, as you can see, I was in my friend's place, like I said, and we said to just make this little pasta with what is available in the house. And I just thought, like, let me just use the opportunity and also create a little bit content, even though I'm not feeling that okay, but I need to just feel a little better. Even no matter what, I don't have to stress it all out like you all told me, or like you all have been telling me, that I just have to, you know be happy despite anything. So that's what I'm trying to do. I'm just trying to be happy and trying to just overlook many things and just smile. So I hope you enjoyed this little video, and also keep your prayers coming, and I hope help comes soon. Help comes soon. So I made this pasta, and everyone that tested, they loved it, and it tasted amazing, even though it's just with the little thing that was left in the house. Thank you, and